Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, we've made a good bit of progress. I have drilled out all the spot welds that hold that inner fender structure in. As you can see, they're all over it. They're all over it. It was not a fun job. It wasn't hard, but it was cumbersome, and I did not enjoy it. I removed it with the radiator support in one piece to make it easier to line up when going back together. As you can see there, that's all where I drilled it out, and I drilled them out kind of big. I used a big spot weld cutter to try to make sure I took enough material the first time. Maybe I shouldn't have used that big of one, but I'm not a body man, I don't know. Anyways, I had to remove this fender to get to those spot welds, but it's undamaged. As you can see, it's even full of rat's nests. This thing is just terrible. Anyways, there it is. I got the radiator support and the inner fender structure out of there. It wasn't really hard work, but it was time consuming, and I am glad to be done. And it should be, I left it pretty much together, so it should be, tie that radiator and condenser back. I should be able, I didn't even have to remove it, so I didn't have to discharge it. But anyways, there we go, and I hope to make some more progress later. Here's my little girl again. Say hi, Olivia.
Hi.
Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for progress.